Problem Solving 101 is an international bestseller. It was written by Academy Award-winning actor Ken Watanabe and originally marketed for children. But don't be fooled, it's not just for kids, it offers something for adults and kids alike. It's the ultimate guide to developing creative solutions. It's easier than you think to improve your problem-solving skills. Here are some life hacks that will help you say goodbye to that frustrating feeling. In the next few chapters, you'll learn how to break down the process into just 4 simple steps. The tips will also help you achieve even your biggest dream. 1. Break your problem down to its core. There are 4 steps to problem solving. If you follow these simple methods, you'll be able to tackle any problem head-on. And it starts by breaking your problem down to its core. After that, it's time to move on to the next step, actually solving the problem. 2. What's ultimately causing your problem? Once you've identified the core of your problem, you can begin to understand what makes it a problem. This is the second step in our 4-step problem-solving method. Band members can use a yes-no tree to test their hypotheses. The yes-no tree is useful for exploring your problem down to its roots. You can use it to answer as many new questions as you can think of. In the case of apples and oranges, band members might wonder why more people attended the second concert than the first. 3. Brainstorming and analysis. First, determine what information you need to adequately analyze the situation. Then conduct a careful analysis that will help you determine the best solution. In the apples and oranges example, the band analyzed its attendance problem and came up with several possible solutions. Apples and oranges decided that they wanted to prioritize the solutions that were both effective and easy to implement. Then they ranked their potential solutions under those columns based on how well they met the headline goal. This can be a good approach when you need to prioritize a variety of options. 4. Set small goals to gauge big dreams. Now that we've looked at how problem-solving skills can be used in everyday life, let's look at some other scenarios where we can use them. Let's start with some examples that have to do with our dreams, because this is something that everyone can relate to. Unfortunately, he's absolutely no skills when it comes to computer animation, and that's probably because he doesn't own a computer. But he can use his finances to achieve his goal of buying an Apple computer in 6 months. 5. Turn your possible solutions into a realistic hypothesis. Ideas include things like saving money, asking his boss for a raise, or hoping to win the lottery. Once he's a few ideas to work with, Eric can create a logic tree similar to the yes-no tree of apples and oranges. 6. Turn your hypothesis into an action plan. You've identified the core of your problem and created a hypothesis to solve it. Next, you need to analyze your hypothesis to figure out how to make it work. In Eric's case, he might start by finding the retail prices of all his games and DVDs. By using a 4-step problem-solving method, we can solve any problem quickly and easily. All you need to do is a little focused analysis to get to the bottom of the problem. These tools will help you ask the right questions and work through your options. For more book digests, check our other videos. See you soon!